P2R has vertices P2 9 centimeters, PR 12 centimeters, and 2R 14 centimeters. They are telling us to find angle P2R. Let's start by simply sketching this triangle. We can try to sketch this triangle P2R. P2R. They are telling us that P2 is 9 centimeters. PR is 12 centimeters. And 2R is 14 centimeters. So they are telling us to find angle P2R. They are telling us to find this angle which is in the middle. They are telling us to find the angle 2. We are looking for angle 2. This triangle you see has got all the sides not equal. All the sides of this triangle are not equal. On this triangle, you cannot apply Pythagoras theorem. You cannot apply SOHCAHTOA on this triangle. This triangle, if you are looking for any component from this triangle, we can simply either use the sine rule or the cosine rule. But because we are not given any angle, we cannot use the sine rule. Now, remember that a triangle has got 6 components. A triangle has got 3 angles. The 3 angles are represented by the capital letters. These capital letters represent the angles. And it has also got 3 sides. The 3 sides will be represented by the small letters. Now look at this capital 2. There is a side facing it which is PR, and that is now smaller 2. Look at this capital R. There is a side which is facing it which is PR, and now that one becomes the small r. Look at the capital P. There is a side facing it which is 2R, now that one becomes the smaller p. Now, we want to find the angle 2. When you are finding angle 2, we are going to apply what we call the cosine rule. And this cosine rule is going to be applied in terms, we are going to write it in terms of smaller 2. Because we are looking for angle 2. We are going to say, from the cosine rule, we can say smaller 2 squared equals smaller p squared plus smaller r squared minus 2p pr, then cosine of the capital 2. So we have the smaller 2, we have the smaller p, we have the smaller r. We simply substitute in the formula and we look for capital 2, which capital 2 is the angle we are looking for. Now, our smaller 2 is 12 squared equaling to p squared, which is 14 squared, plus r, which is 9 squared, minus 2 times 14 times 9, cosine of capital 2, which is that one. So we are going to get 12 squared. 12 squared simply means 12 times 12, not 12 times 2. And 12 times 12, when you use your calculator, you get 144 equaling to 14 times 14, giving us 196 plus 9 squared, giving us 81, minus 2 times 14 times 9, giving us 252 cosine of capital 2. So we are going to get 196 plus 81, giving